Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to use 4shared on iPhone. All you gotta do is go first, App Store, download 4shared. Of course, that was kind of weird. Yep. Let's wait. Next, all you gotta do is download Chrome. Sorry about that. Chrome, Google Chrome actually. When you download that, well, I actually downloaded this before, but it never works. So when you download this, give me a sec. It'll be done. Sorry about the waiting. Sorry about the waiting. Or I could just go ahead and show you. You also gotta download Google. Sorry about that. Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, Google Drive right here. Yeah. These two apps, um, EMU for iOS Store is actually pretty good. And iRec is the thing that I'm using right now to broadcast this. With this EMU for iOS Store, I got Minecraft. Well, not Truck Simulator. I just got it. I got Minecraft, and that's it. I don't know. I want to get more games. It's actually pretty good. I'm gonna put it in the descriptions. Yeah, let's get started. I actually don't want to register or log in. I just log in. Give me 1 second. There. I downloaded 2 games. It was actually Infinity Fly Simulator, and I actually don't know how to install it. Someone knows, comment down on the link, cause I really want to know, and I really want that game. It's actually this game. Cost $5. I actually have 94 cents on my Store, App Store. Look, Infinity. Sorry about that. The whole point is I kind of know how to download the thing from the Safari and Google Chrome, but I don't know how to install it. That's what I need help with. If you want me, you could email me or send me a message. I'm gonna put it on the descriptions. I'm gonna put my phone number and everything, so you could just send me a message or something. And that's the game I want. Infinity Flight Simulator. It's awesome. Look. Yep. So look. First you gotta go Chrome. Accept whatever you log in. Then you search up whatever you want. Let's say Showbox. Showbox APK for iPhone. Give it 1 sec. It's actually slow. This is Showbox. You can see every movie that just came out on HD. It actually said download Cydia for free. I don't think that's true. I don't think. All I think is that all they want you to do is download it so they could get like more money. Watch. It's gonna be like register or something. But look, that Showbox doesn't work. So let's look up this Showbox. Your Showbox APK. Give 1 sec. Download apps free Andre APK app. That's Showbox. Download. Download. I know how to download it, but I don't know how to install it. That's what I want to know. Nobody has this video on YouTube because I looked at it everywhere and no one knows how to install this. I put it open in Drive or 4shared. Sign in. This account. I have a lot and I don't know how to install it. Here's Showbox. Open in. 4shared. My 4shared. New folder. Upload. Not even one. Comment down if you know how to install it. Because I do not. Maybe you have to pay here or something, but I don't know. Just please help me. Comment down. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.